5 secrets to crack your exam in first attempt. What are the 5 secrets? Not your subjects, but if you have the skill to manage your mind, your emotions, your thoughts, your state, and your beliefs, which I am a master on, and I teach in that. I teach your mindset. I change your mindset. I modify your mindset. I reframe your mindset. If you reframe your mindset, you can change everything. You can manage your mind. If you can manage your mind, your emotions, your thoughts, your state, your belief, you can do anything. These are the 5 things only. Not your physics, chemistry, math can make you successful, but this, if you change, your subjects become very easy for you. Your mind is the most powerful thing in this whole universe. I'll tell you the secret formula that helped men to change their world. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. Read it again. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. See me. Close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Just listen to me. See into my eyes. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. If you have the ability to believe that you can score 99%, you can get into IIT, you can get 20 rank, you can get into AIMS, you can get 99%, 100% in your boards or school exam. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. The problem is you don't know the method how to believe it. What comes in between believing? Your fear and doubt. Fear and doubt that you have not studied, you have backlog. How can you get that? You don't have to take care of that. If your mind once believes that you are a topper, you have got 20 rank, you are entering into IIT Bombay with computer science, neurosurgery in AIMS Delhi, AFMC, GMC College, Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, 99%, 100% in your boards. If you can believe it, accept it, your subconscious mind believes it, you can achieve it in reality. This is the secret. People don't know. Come back to the PPT. So now we are going to go deep into the real scientific magic of this universe, which is known as world of law of attraction and manifestation. At least learn this, okay? So first, see, I am telling manifestation, law of attraction, but what is manifestation? I'll tell you. To manifest, if I'm asking you to manifest, is to make something happen. To make something happen. So manifesting is the ability to create exact life that you want. It is the ability to draw in anything that you desire and become author of your own story. If I tell you to manifest, for example, you manifest that you want to go into IIT Bombay with computer science, or you manifest getting 99% in your boards, or you manifest getting into AIMS Delhi or AFMC, whichever college, If you know the method of manifesting and you can manifest, it is easy. It will become reality. Doesn't matter you are an average student, you are a bad student, you have not studied, but this is possible. This is easy. Students are doing it. I will show it. The result of my students also. You can also do. It looks and feels like magic, right? We all are magicians. You have seen one magic. There are a lot of magic. So what is the principle of law of attraction? I'm talking about law of attraction, लेकिन principle क्या है? One of the core principle of law of attraction is you are the universe. First understand how everything is connected. Understand. Manifesting means, law of attraction means you are attracting something. For example, there is a method or process and system by which you can manifest and attract anything. So now you are manifesting IIT Bombay. You are attracting it from whom? From the universe. Universe has all the power. It can give you anything. But if you know, see, it will not understand your language. But you can ask it to give you anything. But the principle is how it is easy to get. You are the universe. You have all the power in your mind. So through this, you can attract anything. Process I'll teach you, don't worry. But first understand how it works. Come back. You are the universe. Eckhart Tolle, you can find him in Google. He said, you are not in the universe. You're not in, you think that you are in the universe, but you are the universe. You are an intrinsic part of it. Understand, ultimately, you are not a person, you are the focal point from which the universe is becoming conscious of itself. For example, you have the power to create anything. You are the creator. अभी तुमको नहीं समझ में आएगा. You'll not be able to understand it. I'm going a bit deep, but understand, you have the power. This 99%, any percent is not tough for you. It is easy, but you should know the method. For example, this tortoise is inside the shell. We think, but no, it is the tortoise. Full shell is also tortoise. It is like that. But being a scientist, see, I cannot accept anything very easily, There should be some science related to it. So I discovered and I, researched, how can I be the universe? Is there any actual physical matter in us? क्या हमारे अंदर कोई physical matter है which is coming from the universe or outside the planet? So when you see, you find it in Google or physics students are there, they will know that we are actually stardust. The world's top astrophysicists say that our planet receives material from all over the universe every single day, which becomes a part of all of us. Atoms in our body, are traceable to other stars. And even today, Earth continues to constantly receive matter from outside space, which becomes a part of all of us. Now, I want, need students to answer me whether I'm saying it right or not. The ratio of elements in your body is strikingly similar to the ratio of those elements present in the universe, including hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. What this tells us is that physically and chemically, we are pretty much the same as the universe. Tell me yes or no. Yes, it's true. So now by this, I understood this. Yes, I am the universe. I can create anything. You can create anything. Once you know that you are the universe, you don't know your power. You don't know your power, but you are the universe. No. Now, then I researched that. I'm telling you, see, your mindset, your mind has all the power. I taught you that, whatever your mind can think and conceive, your mind can achieve it. Whatever your mind can think and conceive, your mind can achieve it. So can really our mind affect object? I'll show you, one scientific experiment showing how our subconscious mind affects outside world. For example, first understand, if my mind has the power, it is the one which will affect the outside world. For example, you want to be an IITian, so you want to affect the outside world to attract your college come to you. You have to attract your rank to you. So you're attracting something from outside. You're attracting something from outside through your mind. So your mind should have that power. So there was this scientific experiment which happened, to see whether your mind really can create things, Understand, your thoughts has the power to really impact reality. It is said by Professor Dr. Kroplin. He did an experiment. I'll show you what the experiment was. What they did, first understand, okay? What is the experiment? Understand. So if we see, for example, this is a table, okay? This is a, understand this. This is a table. Yeah, this is a table. Have you seen that when there is some water droplet on the table, if you see some water droplet on the table, or you put some water droplet or some water spills on the table and you don't clean it, it evaporates. पानी का ड्रॉपलेट है टेबल पे और वो इवेपोरेट हो जा रहा, आपने पोछा नहीं है, यू हैव नॉट क्लीन्ड इट, इट इवेपोरेटेड. हैव यू सीन दैट इट लीव्स अ मार्क? हैव यू सीन दैट? हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस दैट इट विल लीव सम मार्क? राइट, यस और नो? या. हैव यू सीन it will leave a mark? Yes. So this is the experiment they did. So what they did, they put some water droplets and the scientist used their mind and started asking and talking to the water droplet by their thoughts. They wanted the water droplet to evaporate but leave a kind of mark, एक ऐसा mark छोड़ना है, which they were asking. So what they did, understand? They investigated the pattern that appear in the water droplet. क्या किया उन्होंने? मैग्निफिकेशन, एक माइक्रोस्कोप से देखा. एक्सपेरिमेंटर बैठ गए to influence the water droplet. I will show the picture what happened. First they said the water droplet with their mind, they were not talking but they were talking through their mind, that they were using manifestation and law of attraction. They were asking the water droplet to make a center. You evaporate, they asked the water droplet, once you evaporate, please leave a center. There should be center. I could see that there is some center. Now you see the picture. Their mind affected the water droplet, and after it evaporated, it created a actual center. Can you see the picture? Is it mind-blowing? This is one picture. You can find it in Google also. This is a scientific experiment. This is a scientific experiment. Is it mind-blowing? Write yes in the chat. Now what they did, they started thinking more, Now stop writing, understand. Now they again started doing more experiment. They asked, now next water droplet, they wanted the water droplet to show some sign of love, emotional sign of love, some emotion of love, which they can understand. They were affecting, they thought that it will show some sign of love. What happened? Water droplet started changing the mark. Then they started thinking about more love, They were from their mind only, they were feeling love, emotional state. They brought all the emotion of love and they asked the water droplet to show some sign of love, some sign of love. Once you evaporate, please leave a sign of love. Can you see the water droplet left a sign of heart which human can understand as a sign of love? Can you see this? This is a scientific experiment. Is it mind-blowing? What is it showing? If your mind can change the water droplet, your mind can change anything, just you should know how to use it. This is the power of your mind. This is one experiment. There are many experiments like this. Scientist's name, you can write this name, write it. Professor Dr. Bernard Helmut Kraepelin. Write it down, first of it. Is it real? You can find it in Google. Dear, I'm not making this. Yes, it is because of your subconscious mind. Okay, now understand, come back. So our mind to work, this I've understood that mind has the power. No. The question was now, does law of attraction works? Really? The greatest teachers who have ever lived have told us that the law of attraction is the most powerful law in the universe. Poets like William Shakespeare, Browning, Blake, they have delivered it in their poetry. Musicians have written in their music, artists like Leonardo da Vinci have painted in their painting that law of attraction is there. You can find it in Google. Greatest thinkers like Socrates, Plato, Pythagoras, Newton, Einstein shared it in their writings. At present, if you see Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Bilajit Dosanjh, Michael Phelps won 8 gold medal, but he said that first he won that gold medal in his mind for last 4 years, and then in the Olympic he won the gold medal. This is how law of attraction works. Shahrukh Khan, have you seen that movie? It was all manifestation only, In his movie he said that किसी भी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में रह जाती है, मिल जाती है, लग जाती है. If you want something very badly, whole universe creates a better situation for you to get that. Now I'll show you some beautiful things. I have something very beautiful thing for you. Just give me a minute. Let's see it. Is it visible? Just listen to it, okay?
In my mind, I'm always the best.
In my mind, I was always champion.
If you don't have the mindset that you're the best ever, you failed already.
I don't care what the people thinking, what they say. In my mind, not just this year, but always, I'm always the best. I'm always going to say that.
I will think about, I'm gonna beat these guys. I can beat all of them.
In my mind, I'm always the best.
Years that if you want something, put that desire out into the universe and then go about doing your own thing. The universe will make things happen for you. Years that if you want something, put that desire out into the universe and then go about doing your own thing. The universe will make things.
कैसे करते हो मैनिफेस्ट?
बेसिकली मेरी मम्मा मुझसे ये चीज कहती है कि तांशकी दिल में जो आ रहा है ना, जो करने का मन है, कर दो मैनिफेस्ट. फॉर द फिल्म, फॉर आमिर सर, फॉर इवन द रीसेंट अवार्ड दैट आई वन, IMDb ब्रेकआउट स्टार मीटर अवार्ड, मैंने वो कुछ टाइम पहले ही मीना शंकर जी को फॉर 12th फेल एंड प्रियंका चोपड़ा मैम को विन करते हुए देखा था. एंड आई वाज लाइक, दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू विन एंड आई विश टू विन दिस. एंड देन आई गेट अ कॉल कि यू आर नंबर 1 ऑन द IMDb रैंक लिस्ट फॉर इंडिया. और फिर उन्होंने मेरा पासपोर्ट भी मंगाया कि हमें ना कुछ चेक करना है. तो मम्मा और मुझे लगा यार ये शायद से एज की वजह से रह जाएगा, शायद से लगेगा बहुत छोटी है, जो भी है. टर्न्स आउट दैट आई गेट टू बी द यंगेस्ट एक्टर फॉर दिस ग्लोबली टू विन दिस अवार्ड. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, ये भी मैनिफेस्ट किया था मैंने तो और ये भी हो रहा है. तो मैं मैनिफेस्टेशन, सेल्फ बिलीव, हार्ड वर्क, इन तीनों चीज़ों पे बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ.
कैसे करते हो मैनिफेस्ट?
You believe in the law of manifestation. What are some of the things that you have manifested?
I think everything in life in general. I knew that one day I'll get a great debut film. I come from an engineering background from Delhi, had no idea about anything, but still somewhere I had that belief that I will. Today, where the place that I am in my career, I kind of somewhere inside manifested it. I knew that it would happen and I would work very, very hard for it. And I would get what I want. You get what you attract, and your thoughts attract what you have.
You believe in the law of manifestation.
So I'm a huge creature of habit, and I believe a lot in luck. I believe the universe has some way of making things happen for you. This is a little strange, so bear with me. I have a thing where if I want something really badly, and it's like something that I want, or like an award, or a film, or maybe something health related, or maybe even a holiday, or something to do with like just anything. I just act out that particular situation by myself in my bathroom in front of my mirror. It's just an act that I
Believe in universal law of attraction and the force that guides us all. So I try to connect with that and guide that power and strength and energy from that force when I need it the most. And it works. You might say, well, it's not real, but it is real once it becomes your routine. Anything that becomes a routine, it really becomes part of you. So repetition is very important to kind of tap into your subconscious and just kind of start reprogramming yourself, your life. Believe in universe.
Yeah. So you have seen some examples. Manifestation is easy there, putting materialistic thing. You will see a lot of manifestation, law of attraction coaches or teaching on Instagram and YouTube. The problem is getting money, and these all things are easy. But for students to get marks, there is some tricks, that you have to use. So that is the reason I have worked a lot on that for students. And I'm telling you, I can help you with law of attraction and manifestation to immediately improve your life with e to the power x graph, like e to the power x graph, instantly, like from here to here. I'll show you my students also, don't worry. So even in Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Islam, all religious books, it talks about law of attraction. You can find it in Google, you'll find it. Hinduism, it is written like Aham Brahmasmi, I am the universe, I am the creator, I can create anything. And if you can create anything, you can create anything, literally. Law of attraction works. Does it work? Law of attraction is the law of creation, Quantum physicists tell us that the entire universe emerged from your thoughts, from someone's thought. Everything has emerged from your thought, You create your life through your thoughts, and the law of attraction, and every single person does the same. Should I go a bit deep? Maybe you'll not understand. See, you think you have not manifested. You don't know how to manifest. I'll show you, you also have manifested a lot of things in your life. You know the method. I'll teach you is the method, but you know the method, You create your life through your thought. Today, what is your life? If it is bad, it is, you are average student, you are not getting good marks, you have not studied, you procrastinate, it is just because of your thought. You change your thought and your direction changes. It doesn't work because you know about it. See, you think that I don't know about law of attraction, it will not work. No, it is like law of gravity. For example, whether you know it or not, law of gravity is working. In the same manner, law of attraction and manifestation works. You don't know it. Once you know it, you can use it very easily, and in your favor. For example, I talk about law of electricity. It is there. Some electricity law is there. You use it. We are using this, we are doing this class. I'm using mic, lights, camera. A lot of things are there with the help of electricity. I'm using electricity for that, right? Now, if I break the rule and I touch the live wire, what will happen? I was using it constructive. I can talk to you from so many kilometers away. But if I break the rule and touch the live wire, what will happen? People will die. If someone touches the live wire, when you break the rule, you get the wrong results. That is the reason you have been manifesting, but in a wrong manner. You are manifesting at every moment, consciously or subconsciously. But what is you don't know the language, but you are manifesting, Now I'll tell you. Has this happened? Have you experienced that? You have an exam tomorrow and you have studied. मतलब आपने खूब पढ़ाई किया है, कल exam है, you have studied a lot. One topic you have not studied. And you are now afraid and you are praying that this topic should not come in the exam. This question should not come in the exam because you have not learned it, you don't know how to solve it. But tomorrow when you go to give the exam, same question is in there in the exam. Tell me, have you experienced this? Yes, even Gukesh, someone is writing a law of attraction. Gukesh. Yeah, Manasvi, you can get instant result. Has it happened? Yeah, many times. Now I'll tell you why it is happening, What is the language? First understand what is the language, what universe understand. See, universe is giving you everything. There is a universe, the higher consciousness, you can understand. There is a higher consciousness. Whatever you want, whatever you're thinking, you will get that. What you think, you get that. What you think, you get that. Now you are thinking that this is tough. The exam is tough. This question should not come in the exam. Universe does not understand no, nan, yes. It only understands your emotional state. Now I'm giving you one task just now. If I ask you, don't think about an elephant. Don't think about an elephant. What is happening? Don't think about an elephant. What came in your mind? You thought of an elephant? In the same manner, automatically elephant came. Language of universe is actually your emotional state. Now what is happening? Whatever you think, whatever you feel, you get that. Now you are afraid of the exam which is happening tomorrow. Universe will give you the same, more fear. You are sad, universe will give you more sadness. You are happy, universe will give you more happiness. You attract what is your emotional state. For example, if you have dog in your house, he plays a lot. But when you are sad, you attract a sad dog. He will also be sad and he will come to you being sad. Even you manifested me also. You don't know. Now tell me, was there a time or has this happened? There are less students, I'm asking you. Has this happened that you were in a big trouble? For example, you have stress, anxiety, you have a lot of backlog, and you wanted someone in your life to come and help you get out of this? Have you been thinking of it? Because I'm not here because of anyone else. I'm because of your manifestation. Was there in your mind, in some days, you have been thinking that I need someone, please come because my exam is near. I don't know how to go ahead. You are feeling anxious, anxiety. You are praying to God. You are praying to the universe or someone that, please, someone tell me the right direction. I don't know. Teachers are not telling you, but you wanted. Was it happening? You thought of it 2-3 weeks ago? No, Deep, it is not counted as Jaman. I'll tell you. Don't worry. I've been thinking of it. I am also your manifestation, understand? Because it is not a coincidence. It is because of your thought. You are attending this class. I'm in front of you, helping you, teaching you. No one has manifested for you. You have manifested, understand? Because of that, I am here. So you know how to manifest. Yes, timetable. Someone is asking with timetable. I give bulletproof timetable to people. Don't worry. I'll show you that. Don't worry. So you attract what you think more. I'll give you a very powerful, very powerful tool. Stop begging, start claiming. Now you tell me. See, yeah, someone missed my last webinar and today they got new opportunity to attend today full webinar. Stop begging, start claiming means, now understand. If you have a ticket, you are going from Delhi to Mumbai, you have a train ticket in your hand, which is a confirmed ticket, S1113 number. What will happen? You will go directly and sit on the seat or you will take someone's permission. Tell me in the chat. Go and sit directly and seat. Claim it. Now, if you have a ticket which is not confirmed, it is waiting. First I said, if you have a train ticket, you have seat number S11 and 13, you will directly go sit there or you take someone's permission. Can I sit here and then sit? You will claim, you will go. Now, if you have a waiting ticket, it is not confirmed. Waiting ticket. Now what you'll do? You'll go and sit directly or you will ask someone's permissions. Because that is not yours. So you are not claiming this time. You are begging. See me. Come here, see me. Stop writing. why you are begging. You will never get what you are begging. God, मुझे 99% दिला दो. Universe, मुझे 99% दिला दो. मेरा IIT निकलवा दो. Please help me to become an IITian. I want to become doctor in AIIMS. Please help me. Please. You are begging. Understand this. Gratitude is the easiest thing universe immediately understand. Now tell me in the chat, if I ask you who is rank 1 in NEET or JEE or NEET 2024, tell me rank 1 NEET 2024 or JEE 2024, whatever exam you are giving. Tell me. 2024, the last exam which happened. Ved Lahoti, someone is saying? JEE, yeah? Tell me, you know? Ved, Sagat, Brunal, whatever it is. Okay, CBSE 10th both you can tell, yeah. Now tell me, who is JEE or NEET topper 2025? Tell me. See, people are writing me, I am. They know how to claim. Now you are claiming. If someone is saying, I don't know, yeah, Sadaf, Kashmir board topper. Now you are claiming it. See, universe can give you anything which has not been claimed. You cannot get rank 1 or any rank in JEE 2024 or NEET 2024 or board 2024. You cannot get that rank because you have not claimed it. It has been claimed. Now you cannot get it. But JEE 2025, NEET 2025 or boards 2025 rank has not yet been claimed. Universe can give you, but you are begging to the universe. If you are begging, see, universe is equal for everyone. If you are begging, it will understand, okay, he's begging, this is not his. How can I give someone if it does not belong to him? But when you claim, then universe will think that, oh, he's claiming, he's saying that I am the topper. Means he's the topper. I have to make him the topper because it is his. Now universe will be in a situation that he has to give you. So one thing I am teaching you, gratitude is the easiest, thing that universe understands immediately and replies back. From today, whenever you are praying to God, if you don't believe in God, praying to the universe or to the highest power, or even praying to yourself, your subconscious mind itself is God. Start saying, thank you, God, thank you, universe, for making me an IITian. Claim giving me 25th rank in IIT. This is what is known as claiming. When you start claiming, thank you, universe, for making me this. Thank you, universe, for making this. When you start claiming, you can get that. You are the universe. I'll tell you how vision board is helpful. Don't worry. This is one thing, but manifestation has a process. One after the other, you have to use it. Because if you have negative thoughts, if you have not changed your mindset, but still you are trying to pray, it will not help you that much. Okay. No. You are the universe. Understand. Very important thing. You are the producer, director, and actor in your own play. You are making your story. Abhi tak ka story is made by you. You can make your future story also. You are the script writer. The good thing is script is written. It is not written previously. You are writing it and it is happening. You change the script, your life will change. You become a hero in your script. You know what that means? You can change the script anytime you want. You are the writer. You are the actor. If you don't like how the scene is going, just change it. Now, tell me, how many of you are ready to work on the rare problems which are stopping your success? Write in the chat. Are you ready to understand the creative power of our own thoughts and utilizing it for your career and exam success? Are you ready to understand how to implement law of attraction in your studies and daily routine? Are you ready to understand the method to move from losers' mindsets to winners' mindset? What is the method? Are you ready to be someone who is loved by everyone? Are you ready to speak the same language that universe understands? Are you interested in learning all the rules and principles of the universal language? Type a big yes in the chat. Then I'll give you that opportunity that I promised you. I'll end the class in 15-20 minutes. Don't worry. Just 15 minutes. Give me your 15 minutes more. This is more important now. So, since in one class it is not possible to teach you everything, I have created a full process to help you in few days